Hello everyone, I want to welcome you to my newest listing at 10 Birdsongs Street in Richmond Hill. In Oakridge's Lake Wilcox community, this freehold townhome sitting on a premium lot features 3+1 bedroom, 4 bathroom with a fully finished basement and open concept layout with 9-foot ceilings, spacious living room, dining room and family rooms together with elegant double-sided fireplace, enormous kitchen with huge breakfast area with stainless steel appliances and backsplash. Second floor laundry with great bedroom sizes with 4-piece ensuite master and generous walk-in closet. Fully finished basement with expansion rec room. It's listed for $1,188,000 and for sure it won't last long. So let's go and take a look inside. Thank you for watching the tour. And if you want to book your private showing and see all of this from inside, contact us now.